Welcome back to Submerged Kitchen. If you think you don't like bologna, you might want to give one or all of these a try. Today we're turning one humble package of bologna into 3 completely different dishes. First, dice your bologna into small pieces. And add it to a large skillet over medium heat. As it cooks, we'll pull it at 3 different stages. Remove about a third once it's slightly browned, let another third cook until it's nicely browned, then let the remaining batch cook until it's deep, golden, and crispy. Drain each batch on a paper towel. For our first recipe, add the lightly browned bologna to a food processor along with onion and pulse until finely chopped. Stir in sweet relish, mustard, mayonnaise, fresh chives, and black pepper. Cut thick cucumber rounds and scoop out the centers to make little cups. Fill each one with bologna salad. Serve the extra alongside crackers and finish everything with a sprinkle of fresh chives. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to like and follow. We've still got 2 more recipes to go. Next, let's make some Pierogi-Inspired bites. Combine the medium browned bologna with finely chopped crispy fried onions, shredded cheddar cheese, mustard, and pepper. For the dipping sauce, stir together sour cream, fresh chives, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Fill wonton wrappers with the bologna mixture. I found it much easier to seal one side first, then tuck the filling into the pocket before sealing the remaining edge into a triangle. Lightly spray with oil and air fry until golden brown and crispy, turning them as needed for even browning. Serve warm with our chive sour cream dip. For our final dish, prepare your favorite pasta side according to the package directions. I used a broccoli cheddar pasta. Top it with the crispiest batch of bologna for a smoky, crispy finish that adds great texture and flavor. 3 recipes, 1 package of bologna. Which recipe would you try first? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for hanging out in the kitchen today. When the craving hits, we make it happen.